Mabel cannot do does not really exist. Mabel is a manipulative human being. Oh my God. I wish God will open the eyes of my audience, of my fans, to know the kind of person who Mabel is. I don't really know why this.
Hello my amazing people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends of where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don carry another bogelicious matter come again. Now who we wan watch today, my people? Now Mr. Osifo na we wan watch where she for the past message give
Mabel cannot do
whether
does
na
not really
ex-wife
exist.
or na present wife we
Mabel
go call her,
is
my
a
people. I no
manipulative
know
human being.
where e for the
Oh
past
my
message
God.
say the person wey come
I
visit
wish
Valerie,
God
according
will
to
open the eyes of my
Mabel ko
audience, of my
family, she
fans,
say the
to
person
know the
na
kind of person who
Valerie
Mabel is.
relative, which Mr. Osifo
I
come
don't
and
really
say
know
this
why
person
this
e
woman
no
is
relate
so
to
manipulative.
Valerie in
What is going
anywhere.
on?
My people,
I bring you all
tori
greetings. Trust you guys are
plenty,
doing
tori
great.
wowo. I would like
There
me I
was a
leave
video
una
they
make
sent
una
to me
lis
this
ten to this
morning
very video. Please
that
no forget
Mabel
to like and
posted,
share. Drop your
saying that
opinion
one
on
of
our comment
Valerie's
section below.
relatives came
Tell
to
us
visit
whether
them.
na jealousy
Come,
dey
madam,
worry
you are a
this
very
man
stupid
o,
woman.
or na wetin Mabel
You
do
are a
this man na
shameless woman and
make
you are
this man dey
ashamed
vex as
to
in come dey
argue.
talk
I
all
am
these
coming
many
out to
things.
saga
My
you.
people, your
I'm going to
opinion is
saga
needed. God
you,
bless you all.
saga everything about you, because you deserve to be sagaed. How dare you betray your own family members? When the mother, the grandmother of Valerie, when it by, when you called, you were the one. Now I call Mabel and Valerie, say the grandmother don't buy. And you were trying to discuss with her. But after some time, did she not block you? Did she not tell you that you were disturbing her? Then how come she's around among the whole family members? Now you, they can't choose. Make it, they want to show to the world, say, Valerie has family. For this thing you have done, madam, it can never be well with you. Even the grandmother of Valerie will answer you or ask you question because you betrayed them. So do you want to tell me you are the only family member that Valerie have? I am asking you. So you want to tell me, say, now only unite there for mama's side and now only unite there for papa's side. And you are not biologically related to Valerie. You are far relative, not blood relative. Now, you are now welcome to Facebook world of saga. Because of course, you have been watching Mabel and you know that she's a very, very manipulative person. The moment you came in, she started videoing you for her to use it against the world or use it against the family of Valerie. And you are now the Judah in your family. So, I don't know your name. I'm going to look for your name. I'm going to look for your information. Please, anybody that have the information of this woman, I'm going to put her picture here. Anybody that have the information should please kindly send the information to me. Because what this woman has done, abomination. You decided to betray your family members, all because of I don't know what. But I'm going to be coming out on live broadcast later to really digress and dissect on this issue. Because if you were not stupid or you are not stupid, you are supposed to know, say, Mabel is using Valerie to use you. And she has succeeded in using you. Hands. Just keep steez. Hey, according to the, say keep your steez. Keep your steez. Everywhere good. Mabel, I continue to repeat it. Mabel is a very, very manipulative person. What she cannot do does not really exist. I'm just waking up this morning. I just saw the video. Somebody sent it to me that one of Valerie's family is there to visit Valerie. And this is the same family member or the same woman, the same shameless woman. So anybody close to Mabel should be very careful. Be wise like a serpent and be harmless like a dove. She is a user. All what she knows how to do is to use someone. I thought when he said family members, I thought the Bonita's family. Bonita have biological brothers. More than 6 or 7 brothers when Bonita gets. Why can't you invite one of them to come and see you? What about Choose Promise? Do you want to tell me that you don't want to invite any of Choose Promise family to still come and see Valerie? Now you get knife, now you get yam. You keep on depriving people or denying them access to their children. God Almighty is going to ask you. Now you be Alpha and Omega. And I keep on saying it that now Gumola go buy anybody when he say me. They cannot talk about my own daughter. I will continue to talk about my daughter. If it takes me 10 times in a day, however I feel, I will come outside and discuss about my daughter. There's no two ways about it. So please, my wonderful fans, my prayer this morning, by the special grace of God, for all the evil deeds Mabel has done to humanity, she will never go scot-free. Karma is going to cut off with her. I'm coming on live broadcast later to digress on the issue. Please kindly share my videos. Support me to support others, because my primary aim is to reach out to the less privileged. Love is a beautiful thing. Don't get it twisted.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, wetin una think about this matter? Make una no fail to drop una opinion on our comment section below. Tell us wetin una think about this very matter between Mabel and Mr. Osifo. God bless you all. Please no fail to like and share. Stay blessed. See you all.